Okay, so this is my Segway P100S, and it, like every other P100, has the sort of one-sided suspension. It's only articulated on that side, so it being a two-piece swing arm means that, you know, the other side's going to wobble if it's not held really tight in here and in there. That rear bracket also helps stabilize and kind of creates a flexible one piece. But anyway, my first attempt at fixing this problem with the crappy fibre washer that was on here, because the fibre washer gets destroyed in like 100 Ks, was to use a copper washer and a stainless steel washer. Stainless steel washer is you know, it creates a firm surface, and the copper washer is like a bush that the stainless steel can rub against so that the swing arm can articulate without undoing that nut. So that's an aftermarket nut that I bought for it, and you just have to add a lot of Loctite onto the thread so that it doesn't back off. Yeah, not the best design, but it seems to have lasted the last 500 Ks like this. We're up to about 1,000 kilometers on it now, and I guess I'm going to check it in another 500 Ks with these brass washers that I'm going to put on there, and yeah, I'll let you know how it goes.